the Nox has missed. So at the moment, I'm pretty happy with that first target. Let's go again. So just thought I'd show you this. Plucking out little tiny items like this. I just had a fragment of a button, like a quarter fragment, and now a little tiny stud. Sensitivity, recovery, I've got on 8. Forgot to say. Right, let's crack on. Ladies and gents, high pitch 28. And wow, just got this. It's a zoom in job. It's a jetton. Right within 2 meters of where I got that buckle and where the hammered I marked. So far so good here. Let me zoom out again. You can see it's a jetton. See?